21 ski runs, 30 kilometers of piste and 2 ski centres. This is Urumqi's biggest resort and it's just outside the city. We explore right here on Drone and Phone.
Well, welcome to the second episode of our Xinjiang ski series. We're at the highest point at the biggest ski resort around Urumqi. Where are we, Jack?
Here is the Silk Road ski resort. It's very close to the city, 40 minutes drive you will be here.
And though this is not massive, this is a proper ski resort. You could come here for a whole ski holiday. Right, let's get going, Jack.
Ask anyone in China's ski world where the real action is and they'll send you straight to the northwest. Xinjiang delivers massive mountains, killer snow and seasons that stretch for months. Now we're taking you on a tour of 9 standout resorts, home to China's longest run, Asia's steepest descent and some of the best off-piste lines anywhere, plus a few family-friendly gems you won't want to miss. In the second episode, we've moved to the mountains of South Urumqi, but still within a short drive of the city. This is a more developed resort than the one we covered in the first episode, with lots of ski-in and out accommodation, as well as homestays in a village close by. So we seem to have a regular ski hall here, plenty of food and coffee options over there, lots of lockers. We've got the snowboard rental there, the ski rental and boots over there. It seems like you get changed here and then go up these escalators just behind me, which will take you up to the actual skiing. So we're going to go through that right now and then get ourselves on the slopes. There are 2 ski centres, each with their own rental, catering and lockers, and a train that can take you from one to the other. The Western Centre has better beginner facilities, as well as children's play areas, a fort and an indoor museum. Back in the Eastern Ski Centre, I'm trying to get into a locker. Okay, let's see how far I can get without Jack's help on this. I'm going to go into WeChat and try and rent a locker. So I'm going to start by just scanning this, see where it gets me. Now I can translate my full text here. Agree, confirm to the rental. Or a phone number, needs my phone number. So let me just give me my Chinese number. Putting in a deposit. And there we go. It was that easy, even I can do that. Well done. To me. The run ratio here is 30% beginner, 40% intermediate and 30% advanced. It also boasts 6 challenging runs, including Xinjiang Avenue and Irwin Avenue, that claim to be 2 of the top 3 most challenging alpine runs in China. Once warmed up with some dancing at the top, we get ready to ski.
This is so far the best warm-up you can do before ski, yeah? Let's do it!
Well, let me give you a quick lay of the land here. You can see right up there, it goes up to 2,500 metres. If you go all the way up the top, there's another peak there at 2,300 metres. We're in the snow park here. You can see lots of jumps and stuff here, lots of fun. There's lots of activities, I think, that are happening during the summer, but there's basically 3 main gondolas. One on the far side there that goes down to this side, and this is the west side, which is a whole ski centre where we came in. There's also one on the other side there, which is the east side, another massive ski centre with hotels and all sorts of other facilities along there. So 3 gondolas, 1, 2, 3. Most of the beginner stuff we think is right on that side. We've not seen it much, so we're going to go and check that out later. The resort has ambitious plans to expand further over the coming years, with 12 new pistes and facilities for international competitions. At the bottom of the hill, I bumped into one skier who had travelled from Kashgar to ski here. Why did you come here?
My family, they from Kashgar to Urumqi, and in winter they like to skiing, so we all together came to this place.
And what do you think is good about the Silk Road?
About this 丝绸之路滑雪场, close to Urumqi.
Close to Urumqi.
Yeah,
Okay. Have you
destination.
skied up in Alatai?
No, I haven't been there because this is my first time to try to ski.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah,
And how are you
first
getting
time.
on?
My teacher teach me well, and I'm learning well. So maybe next time, if I have chance,
Yeah.
I will try difficult about skiing.
The resort has a lot of facilities for beginners who can progress through the mountain from the learner slopes to the intermediate and on to the black runs. They also have international ski instructors with Canadian certifications who can teach in English. The ski season here starts in early November and runs through to April, with daily night skiing through to 10 p.m. The resort also offers a night party with fireworks and da Shuhua, an ancient tradition of throwing molten iron onto a cold surface to create showers of sparks.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again?
Due to the resort's close proximity to the city, we found the night ski session to be much busier than the day, as people leave work for a night ski session. However, as with all resorts we visited, we never had to wait more than a few minutes for a lift.
Well, that's it for this episode. It's been the first of our real ski experiences, I think. This place is really quite nice, right?
Yeah, I really enjoy the night ski. Normally it's cold, but this is not cold.
Yeah, it's not too bad at all, and this is much more extensive than the one that we have done in the previous episode, and indeed the ones we're going to do in the next episode. But after that, we're heading north to the real epic ski centres. Right, if you want to find all of those episodes, you're going to find those on our website, droneophone.com, and also on our YouTube channel. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
This is Drone.
Whoa.
It's now been 20 minutes. Still faffing about. So I don't know what's going on now. He's trying to sort something else out now. No, I would have done like 3 runs by now normally. Maybe a ski jump as well. Done some moguls.
We all know that.
But anyway, here we go.